Hello, today I will be telling you how to make an exe file with the help of command prompt to get your IPv4 address. So, for this, first you need to open the notepad and type here ipconfig command. Normally, this is the command with the help of which we can check our IPv4 address. So, we will press Ctrl S, and on the desktop I will save it with the IP address, and after IP address you need to make it a batch file. So it will be a batch file, so the format for the batch file is .dat and save it. Okay, so after this, in the next line I will put pause. The reason for putting pause is to still the screen like this. So if you can see, your IPv4 address is visible here, and if I remove the pause, so the screen will vanish very quickly, so it will not stop. And with additionally, if you want to see your host name, you can edit this file, and in the next line just put the host name, and after it just put pause and press Ctrl S and just run the, so it will give you the host name also as well as the IPv4 address also. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like and subscribe my channel.